she's still gonna hold on. It ain't safe out here, but she does it right from right. Lies, guns, drugs, violence, lies, guns, drugs, violence. Oh, won't let you go, go, go. Won't let you go, 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 go. Your mama wants you about 5'6". Tell you the truth, she ain't lying to you. Baby, you said you ain't scared. Oh girl, I love how you care. I'll put your love on the pedestal. Whatever you want, I'ma get it for you. Pop in the whip, we can go school. Show you the city that made me like this. Ooh, 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 baby like this. Ooh, 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 baby you got me upset. See, your mom told you about this side. It could be ugly. I'm just a boy from the east side. You love me. Mom told you about this side. It could get ugly. I'm just a boy from the east side. Oh no. Won't let you go, go, go. Won't let you go, 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 go. Last album had it booming, something vicious, you know. And you know I need you back in my life. Girl, you know you got that thing that I like. Girl, you got that thing for real. When I was on a mission to make it, who used to sleep on the floor? when it's late, I always pour you up a drink to let you burn some. Come through, come through.
Yo, oh my goodness. Yoga is no joke. I'm trying to get back in the flow of doing yoga, and I found this class on YouTube, and I just been trying to do some of the poses, and they got your boy tired. Like, look at that sweat on my face. I am drenched in sweat. What's up, Mina? I see you looking in the camera. Mina. Mina. Hey, girl. Mina. Major. Come here, boy. Y'all looking in the camera. Say what's up. Come here. Come here, Major. What's up? What's up, buddy? What's up, man? Yoga kicking my butt, man. You ready to go out? You ready to go out? I'm tired, buddy. Hey, Mina. But yeah, y'all, I'm trying to get back in the flow of doing yoga, so, because my body has been stiff. Like, swimming helps, but my body, my knee, I still have a torn lateral meniscus and an old ACL tear. So I'm still trying to recover fully from that, but I feel good for real. And yeah, I'm gonna take these dogs out and I am with you and for you. When you decide on a course of action that is in line with my will, nothing in heaven or earth can stop you. You may encounter many obstacles as you move towards your goal, but don't be discouraged. Never give up. With my help, you can overcome any obstacle. Do not expect an easy path as your journey hand in hand with me. The trees, it just nothing like that in the morning. Like God's creation, it reminds me of like you can find beauty in the simplest stuff. Like the stuff that I once thought I wanted and needed, I don't need it as much. Like this stuff is free and it be the most precious stuff, and I'm learning to lean towards that more and more every day because it's so precious and like amazing. So that was a really peaceful walk. I think it was like 2 miles, nothing super crazy. But yeah, that was good. Now headed back to the house. Gonna get dressed for the day and hit up a new coffee shop or a new restaurant. I wanna try something different. I'll probably get the usual. I'll probably go with the like avocado toast or do like some breakfast tacos. But yeah, I'm ready for something to eat. Need a matcha or a smoothie, something refreshing. I have to start filming for another video, and I need to meal prep. I got a lot going on, but I just try to do one thing at a time and just kind of be in the moment. I'm still trying to like better myself and work on my goals. And yeah, it could be a lot at times, but yeah, that's what we got going on today. And nothing much. Just a good time, and you know, me doing me. So that's what I'm up to, and I feel good. I got a good start this morning. It's only 9:30, so I woke up super early, and I went to bed super late. I didn't go to sleep until like literally probably 3 o'clock in the morning. But I woke up and I was like, I want to go outside. I wasn't going to go to the gym this morning, but I was like, when I got in the car and seen how good it felt outside, I was like, I'm going outside. But yeah, I'm gonna go home, get dressed, and I'll see you guys. got Nisha driving today. I'm the passenger Prince, chilling. About to go get something to eat. She picking the place. I don't know what she picked, but hopefully they got some good matcha. They got some good food. Like I said earlier, I'm craving a avocado toast. Like, I know y'all see me eat that all the time.
They ain't got no matcha, but they got some other things.
They got an espresso martini. We good.
I cannot.
They got a gin and tonic. We good.
He gonna be weak.
Yep. So that's what we doing, y'all.
Beach and brunch. Brunch and beach.
Beach and brunch.
Beach and brunch.
I got myself a new flick of the wrist. Like
A new timepiece.
a new archive watch. Like, this is part of the Brother archive collection. I've been eyeing it for a while, but you only can get it when they have the archive deal, and they do that like every 3 months. So like, I got this watch for like $70. It's normally like $200, but it's like their archive collection, so you can't just go to their website and get it. You gotta wait until they have their archive collection sale. And I like this watch. Very minimum and sleek. Y'all know I like that style. So
And when can you?
yes, sir.
When can you catch the archive?
So the best way to catch the archive is sign up for their newsletter. Literally go to their site and sign up for their newsletter, and they send you like alerts when they're gonna do the archive. Yeah, I caught it like 5 minutes before it closed. Like, it was only 4 watches left, and I got the 4th watch.
What?
Yeah, it was only 4 watches left. I got the 4th one, so
they only drop like a certain amount?
It only drops a certain amount, because I think these are the vintage collection, but they like repolish them and make it like new again.
Oh, okay.
Because it's like really old. It's like their old collection that they had like when they first like started, I think.
Okay, and then now they just revamp them a little bit or clean them up and then re-drop it.
Yeah, so this watch is called the Groove. Get off your phone.
I gotta watch her.
She all over
Yeah, she all over the road. Trusting young kids.
Probably 16, 17 years old.
They flying.
If I was the police, I'd give her a ticket.
Sure, we'll give her a ticket.
I can't talk too much because
used to be a bad kid.
I was riding when I was that age. Oh yeah, I had the road on fire. Y'all, this new K-Camp album is OD. She said you so sexy, so sexy. I'm learning that living slow is not about being soft. It's about being intentional, where you invest your energy, and how you protect your peace. For me, it's doing things I love, going out with my camera, taking videos, taking pictures, and just doing me. We're good.